Guys, come here. I've got a new dance I want to show ya. Oh, I know this. It's the bird dance, where you clap your hands and flap your arms.
Welcome to Wigtown Bay and Bird Missing with Boyle. Today's missing bird is the goose. Every year from September to May, tens of thousands of geese flock to Dumfries and Galloway. They come here to escape the harsh, cold winters from the Arctic.
Now we're gonna try it really slow.
Migration is risky. The 6,000-mile round trip takes a lot of effort and energy. Young geese often die on their first trip. How sad. 3 kinds of geese come to Wigtown Bay. They're all from the swans, ducks and geese family and live in wetlands and marshes. They eat grass, roots and oats. Personally, I prefer Cheerios. Other brands are available. The 3 kinds of geese that visit us are represented by these 3 pillars. The stones in the pillars come from the country that the geese migrate from. This pillar represents the Greylag goose. Its Latin name is Anser. They are the largest and bulkiest of the geese that come here. They have thick round bodies, long necks, large heads and bright orange beaks. They also have pink legs and feet. Greylag geese make a loud honking call. The Greylag goose comes from Iceland, same as this rock. The rock is green basalt. This tag tells us information about the Greylag goose. Its coordinates that it's from are 6452 north, 2238 west, and it has come from Iceland, and that would be 1,510 kilometers away. The lag part of their names comes from the fact that they're the last geese to migrate. Therefore, they lag behind. Domestic farmyard geese are descended from the Greylag goose. You can expect to see the Greylag goose in Wigtown Bay September to April, which is why they're missing today. This pillar represents the Pinkfoot goose. Its Latin name is Anser barchimachus. It's medium-sized goose with pinkish grey and dark head and neck, a short pink bill and pink feet and pink legs, which is why it is called the Pinkfoot goose. Pinkfoot geese come from Greenland, just like this unpronounceable rock. This tag tells us about the Pinkfoot goose, and its coordinates where it's from are 7028 north, 2302 west. It comes from Greenland, which happens to be 1,950 kilometers away. expect to see the pink-footed goose in Wigtown Bay from October to April, which is why they're missing today. This pillar represents the barnacle goose. Its Latin name is Brantilycopsis. They are medium-sized and like to be together. They have a black head, neck and breast with a creamy white face. They fly in straight lines and their call is like a yap, yap, yappy dong. The barnacle goose comes from Svalbard and so does this quartz sandstone. This tag tells us about the barnacle goose. Its coordinates from where it's from are 7813 north, 1539 east, and it is from Svalbard, 2,715 kilometers away. With levitating.
Jude.
The barnacle goose is said to get its name from an old legend, that it began life in a shell. Another legend says that the barnacle goose was born of driftwood. You can expect to see the barnacle goose from October to March, which is why they're missing today. All of our geese are currently at home, raising their goslings, and that's where I'm going to go in a minute because of these stupid midges. Although we haven't seen a goose today, we sure have learned a lot about them. Join us next time on Next Bird Missing with Boyle. They eat grass, roots, and oats.
Great!
It's not going to be good if even the camera woman's laughing.